Change Chroma key in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video clip, make selected and highlighted, scroll down and scroll to the right. You see the option Remove BG next to Basic and Relight. Click the third option, which says in case it's going to say pick a color, and if you go here on your screen, you do this and select any color. In this case, we're going to select color brown. Your intensity, you can drag this to the right. Notice how the background, the color is getting darker, or it's adding a chroma key look. Click the check mark. Basically now, our video looks like this. Bonus tip is if you want this to be, let's say at this part of the video, all you need to do, split the video to this. Now, what we're going to do is undo. We're going to click this, add a keyframe or the diamond icon right here, and you want to scroll to the right, the option Remove BG. Click the third option, Chroma key. The intensity, we're going to leave this to the right. On our video clip, add another keyframe, BG, the key. Now we're going to move the intensity to the right. As you can see, we're adding a chroma key effect. Click the check mark. This is what we have. Completely for free. Subscribe for more.